Ho'onoponopono is a set of processes that are designed to let go of the past, which prevent us from experiencing our life fully in the present moment, whether that's self-confidence or mental well-being or even financial. Many of our fears come from not having let go of the past in some way. The Ho'onoponopono introduction workshop covers the basics that you need to know to understand how Ho'onoponopono works, why it works, and how to do some of the basic and a little bit deeper process to help you to release unwanted situations in your life. Now, the things that people have healed with Ho'onoponopono are very, very broad in nature. And for most people, a little Ho'onoponopono goes a long way. Very often, just a few times with the processes will resolve issues that are small to medium in nature. But there are some really deep issues, ones that maybe have been going on for a long time or maybe multi-generational in your family. Some deeper Ho'onopono processes may be required for those issues. Now, everybody's consciousness is like a giant computer program, and unfortunately, they come pre-wired with viruses. And those viruses are your karma or my karma and our collective karma. But we then, on top of that, we create karma that we have learned or picked up in this life through the decisions we make or the emotional and mental things that we haven't let go of from earlier experiences in life. Basic Ho'onoponopono works on all of these issues. So think of Ho'onoponopono like erasing the viruses from the computer program that is your consciousness. People that do these processes find that their lives transform in ways that they just couldn't have even imagined prior to doing them. Most people find that any fears that they have get released or at least be greatly diminished. Now, one of the basic premises of Ho'onoponopono is that peace is our natural state. And if we're feeling anything other than peace, it's time to let go of something. So science has shown today that a peaceful mind is a high performance state. Sometimes this is called relaxed. And that's when the greatest creativity happens. And it happens where we get new ideas and inspiration. And it's also easier to keep up the pace because we're not wasting mental and emotional energy on things that don't have anything that are related to what we're trying to accomplish. But the mind has to be trained to let go of the things that prevent this state. And for many people, Ho'onoponopono is a very effective way to start to do this. Now, our more advanced programs are all based on the premises of Ho'onoponopono, just using stronger processes to erase deeper and deeper issues. I'm Kira, and I'm the founder of the Eagle Institute, and I've taken various meditation and healing styles over the past more than 20 years. In addition, I'm also a professional clairvoyant. I've channeled these processes in order to heal karma quickly, as we have an unprecedented window of opportunity to erase karma and old patterns.